A cubic block of mass m is sliding down on an inclined plane at 60 degree with an acceleration of g by 2. The value of coefficient of kinetic friction is. So, a block of mass m is sliding down on an inclined plane at 60 degree with an acceleration of g by 2, the value of coefficient of kinetic friction. Now, let's assume this is the inclined plane, and at any point, any time, the mass is here. So, the acceleration due to gravity is in the downwards, that is mg. This angle of inclination is theta is equal to 60 degree. Now, if we divide mg into two parts, that is one in this direction, another in along the inclination. So, if this is the angle theta, then this angle will also be theta. So, in this direction, the component of mg is mg cos theta, and along the inclination it is mg sin theta, and in this upper direction the normal reaction acts, that is normal reaction R. So, R is equal to mg cos theta, and the friction will act against the motion of the body, that is Fs. So, the frictional force, now the normal reaction R is equal to mg, R is equal to mg cos theta. So, the frictional force Fs is equal to mu times R, that is the coefficient of kinetic friction, into R. R is mg cos theta. So, mu mg cos theta. So, the net downward force, that is mg sin theta, is in the downward direction, and the friction acts against it, that is mu mg cos theta. This is the net force, and this is equal to mass time acceleration. So, mass into acceleration A. So, and the acceleration is here g by 2. So, ma is equal to mg by 2. So, the net force according to Newton's law is equal to mass into acceleration, and the acceleration is given g by 2. So, m and g cancels from both the sides, mg, that is half is equal to sin 60 degree. Now, theta is 60 degree. So, sin 60 degree is root 3 divided by 2 minus mu mg cancels. So, cos 60 degree is half. So, again half cancels from both the sides. So, from here we can write 1 is equal to root 3 minus mu, or mu is equal to root 3 minus 1. So, mu, the value of coefficient of friction is root 3 minus 1, that is here option 4 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.